This is Guess the Holiday secret ingredient, and you're gonna have to tell me what the secret ingredient is in this dish.
I'm gonna do a nice spin.
It's casserole?
Yeah, it's casserole. All right, so crunchy on top. See some fruit in there. Cheese, honey. Okay.
So the holidays are coming up. What are you guys looking forward to for Christmas this year?
Her mac and cheese.
Cheers.
What is it?
All right, so I think we have something for you guys to try.
Okay, look, see? All right. Terry, we're going to taste this.
No,
Not bad. See? What about you, son?
I got the vegetables.
What are you guys looking forward to for Christmas this year?
Presents, toys, candy. I'll do a child. Hey!
Okay.
Give me,
Thank you.
Okay, so we landed on a mystery dish, okay? Tell me what you think it is.
Rosemary. It's parsley, salt, butter. This is not potato. It is potato. Delicious.
I spinned it very hard as I could. Oh my gosh. Calorie? Like that told me.
Oh my God. Can't tell him I told you that. I'm getting a potato. Almost like a hash brown.
Noodles with cheese on them, and it is very good.
There you go.
What are you excited about this year for the holidays?
I'm excited about Christmas because Santa always brings us presents. Wait, what? We're gonna be on YouTube?
Okay, baby, calm down.
Toys help me lose my stress.
Baked fish. Okay, some really pretty carrots. Asparagus? I can't tell what type of fish this is. I think it's cod. It's flounder. Flounder. What's a meal that you look forward to around the holidays? If it's like a holiday dish, maybe like cod. My mom, she like puts Ritz crackers on fish a lot. She makes it all the time for me. I'm like, I'm done with this. I'm so sick of turkey and ham. My mom's like, you know what? I kind of agree. So we came up with crab legs. Loaded hot dog.
Ooh.
What is the secret ingredient within this one?
Smoky a little bit. Salty, smoky, cheesy. Some hot dogs up in here.
Smoked macaroni and cheese on the hot dog.
Are you serious?
My name is Desan. Denaya.
Jada.
And there.
Layla.
Derek.
Rachel.
I'm Teresa.
My name's Tini,
My name's Antoine.
and these are our ConFRESHions.